Hello. Have you ever been running in the park, or seen a bird flying, or watched a car drive by? All these things involve motion. But what exactly is motion? Well, motion is all about changing position or direction. Let's break that down. First off, changing position. Imagine you're standing in your room, then you walk to the kitchen. You've changed your position. You were in one place, and now you're in another place. That's motion. Changing direction. Now imagine you're riding your bike, and you turn the handlebars to go around a corner. You're still moving, but you've also changed the direction you're moving in. That's also motion. So motion happens whenever something changes where it is or what way it's going. Here are some more examples. A ball rolling across the floor is changing its position. A swing swinging back and forth is changing its position and direction. A driver driving straight is changing its position. A car turning a corner is changing its position and direction. Even things that seem to be standing still are moving. Think about Earth. We might not feel like we're moving, but the Earth is spinning and orbiting the Sun. So we're moving too, even when we are standing still here on Earth. To sum it up, motion is a fundamental part of our world. It happens all the time, everywhere you look. Anytime something changes where it is or what direction it's going, that's motion. Thank you for watching.